guys, what's up? Welcome to Mad Fit Junkie. So I'm here with Tejal Kadam. Tejal has been competing for last year and इनकी जर्नी बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग है. So let's find out कि इन्होंने इस इंडस्ट्री में आने से पहले क्या क्या किया. Tejal, how this fitness journey of yours, how does this start?
I was a professional dancer before this, before going into fitness or even starting my fitness journey. I used to do shows and I used to train kids.
Okay.
And then with my academics, I stopped going for my dance classes and stopped taking shows and etc. And then I gained a lot of weight, and because I only two things I used to do, I just used to eat and just study.
Okay.
So apart from that, I did not do anything.
Good.
So because of that, I gained a lot of weight, and then I realized that no, this is not who I am. This is not what I wanted to do or I wanted to look like. I always had that perspective in my own particular way I want to look, and that was just ruining my confidence altogether, everything, my mind. So I happened to land up in a gym where my mom used to train and she doesn't used to go, so I took the membership and I started training. So like a normal girl, I used to do cardio and all, because I really didn't know how to lift weights and how to train and all that. I on my own only started doing things, and that's how it started from there.
What made you transit from powerlifting to a bikini competition?
Powerlifting to a bikini competitor, as everyone knows that when you're doing powerlifting or when you're lifting weights, you tend to eat a lot of calories. Your diet is like very nutrient dense, so your body also looks like that in certain way. You look huge, you look a little bulk and all. So when I think about myself or visualize myself, I never visualized myself as a bulk up women with fat percentage, more body fat percentage. I always used to look up for the lean toned body and the Instagram personalities, fitness personalities which you see. I was so amazed with them, and I was so much influenced by those people on Instagram that I was very fond of their bodies and their lifestyle and everything. Like they have those abs all year round, nice toned shoulders and toned body and their looks and all. So I wanted something like that. So with all the training and all and self research and talking to people and knowing more about fitness and lifestyle, I came to know that with powerlifting you cannot maintain that body. It's a different ball game altogether. And if you want such kind of body, you need to train differently, you need to eat differently. So that was the time when I realized that this is competition prep, this is a bodybuilding bikini category. So there's a myth among people that women lifting weights look like a huge bodybuilder and they get huge muscles and all the femininity is lost and all that. But if you look after it, there are categories in women bodybuilding. So there's a physique category, that's a figure category, bodybuilding category, and there's a bikini category. So I compete in a bikini category wherein you need a lean body, minimum muscle, like normal muscle, lean toned muscles, and low body fat percentage, wherein they look for a hourglass shape, nice small waist and glute ham tie and all that. So this was the thing which like I decided, this was what I wanted, and then I realized that this I wanted to.
Okay. So when we talk about your bikini competitions, we all know when we want to compete, we need a coach, right? Coach. And the right coach is the person who will take you to that stage.
Yes,
right?
yes.
So
obviously.
Tell me something about your coach. Who is it and how you got in touch with him?
My journey is, when I started my journey, there was a trainer, there was a person who's the owner of that gym. He started training me. He analyzed that I was doing well, so from there I shifted to another gym wherein that person was also my relative, the owner. He started guiding me, so I opened up to him that I want to compete and I want to go. So he was not the one who used to prep coach. So he took me to another prep coach with whom I used to previously train with. So he prep coached me for a few of the competitions which I played last year, this year also in January. And then I realized that I need to grow more. I need to go pro shows and I need to take it more to a professional level and all that. So I met Asad. I met Asad actually last year only, after my first competition. But we've been good friends. Like I contacted him through Instagram. Like I knew that he's been a nice coach in the industry, like from a really
People know
long
him
time,
about-
and
people
his
know about
athletes
it.
are
Yeah.
always winning and all that. So I approached him. So that's how we started talking, and then finally I started training with him. So recently I did a show under him.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that's how Asad sir came into the
Yeah,
picture.
yeah.
So you've been training with him for approximately how many months?
Approximately like 4 months, last 4 months.
4 months, 4
yeah,
to 5
4
months.
to 5
And
months.
this is the start of the
Yeah.
new journey. For
Yeah,
you.
this is the start of the new journey.
Cool. So where do you see yourself in next 2 to 3 years? How do you feel you want to go ahead with the competition part?
If you talk about just the competition part, obviously every athlete, wherever they are, they have a dream of stepping on the Olympia stage. So that is what with me also, that I also want to be the first Indian to step on the Olympia stage to represent India internationally, take one step higher. And about life, if you say, then I just take it as it goes.
Okay.
I have my own plans also apart from competition.
So in terms of professional life, you were doing
Professional
digital
life,
marketing and all.
yeah, I was doing a digital marketing. I started digital marketing. I used to work in digital marketing. That time I used to make people famous. I used to work on their PRs. I used to work on their
Pages
ads.
and
Yeah,
stuff,
pages.
yeah.
Now the knowledge is not wasted. I utilize it for myself.
True.
I work on my PR. I work on my social media. So it's like that. We are all team. Like Curves by Asad is a team. We have athletes under Asad. So we are all one team. So we all together work for our PRs also. So all that is not wasted, of course. I have completed my certified personal training course. So I train people online, also offline, personal training. But as a professional, if you see, apart from competing and training, I
Yeah.
want to open my own health cafe.
Okay. That's the
Yeah, that's the dream.
Cool.
That I'll make it in like next 2 to 3 years.
you're trying to complete.
Yeah, that's my target.
True, true. So guys, that's how she wants to roll it. She wants to open a health cafe, and as you see, people, if they are working, they can still compete, they can still get their desired bodies. It's just the dedication which you want to put in. And you've seen Tejal doing this, you've seen Karishma Parker doing this, Curve by Asad is doing this and helping others to get their desired physique.
Yes.
If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Be mad, be fit, be junkie. Peace out.
Peace out.
Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like our video and if you want to promote yourself and motivate others, you can connect with us. To connect, you can find all the details in the description. Please like, share and subscribe to my video. To subscribe to my channel, click here. And to watch our previous videos, you can click here. Thank you so much.